In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Ledger Live. Now, if you don't have a Ledger device yet, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you use my link to actually buy any of the official Ledger devices, you'll get some bonus Bitcoin as well, and you will also support the channel. So to buy crypto on Ledger Live, it's actually very simple. You want to go to buy/sell here on the left. And then here you want to click on buy and you want to select the crypto you'd like to buy. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different cryptos you can buy, a bunch of different tokens, but for this tutorial, we're just going to buy some Bitcoin. Then the second thing you have to do is you'll have to choose an account. So I'm going to choose my account over here, which I already have. I'm going to click on that. There we go. And then over here, you have to select how much you want to pay. So by default, it's going to be 0. And then you have to basically select how much you'd like to buy. So let's say I want to buy 100 euros worth of Bitcoin. Of course, you can swap that to another currency as well if you want to. And then over here, you can basically select your quote. Now, up top, you want to select what you want to pay with. So you can either pay with card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever you want to select. Just click on the one you prefer. And after that, you want to select basically where you want to buy it. And you can see the different quotes over here. Now, some of them will have this happy buy day. Some of them will have the lowest price. So, of course, you want to choose whichever one suits you the most. Right now, as you can see, there's like a promotion where during these 24 hours, I can enjoy 0 processing fees from their select providers. And of course, sometimes this does happen, but for you, it may not be the case. So here, just go ahead and select the one you want. I'm going to select this one, which is Topper, because it's the lowest price. And you want to click on that and click on buy with whatever it says, for example, Topper. And then it's going to connect you over here. And in a few seconds, there we go, you will basically get your summary and you can just press on continue again. And then you'll have to request your verification code. You'll have to set up or log into your Topper account. And after that, you'll be able to put in your card details or of course, the payment information you selected. And after that, you'll be able to buy your crypto. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.